Okay, she was fighting with her carrot. As you can see the carrot on the chair. Then she decided she needed to clean her foot. There she is, cleaning her back foot instead of fighting her carrot. So this is Sophie, the girl that always likes to fight a carrot. Now she's trying to get her cat. I gotta get it out of there for her because it's stuck behind the chair. She loves to kick her carrot. There she goes. Hi, Sophie, you got a carrot? Where's your carrot? There it is. There's your carrot. You love your carrot? Oh, you're ferocious fighting.